Hi guys, so today I have another unboxing. So I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but Nike is having some logistic issues and so deliveries are really late. So hence we only have one unboxing today. I ordered this maybe about 6 to 8 weeks ago, so I don't even remember what it is. Women's Nike MX 290 black and gold in 4.5 UK. It's always so weird as to how each place has the different sizes. Like it's a UK 4.5, but it's a US 5.5. I don't know what 7 is, maybe Japanese, some Asian sizing, I'm not sure. Okay, so they added an extra layer here. That's not normally here. Let's just cut that. So these actually get shipped to me from Amsterdam. So that's why it takes so long. It's also usually produced in like Indonesia or Vietnam. Let's see, yeah, Vietnam. So it's being produced in Vietnam, then it gets sent to the Netherlands, and then it's getting shipped out to us. Oh wow, yes, I remember this shoe, and I remember why I bought it. Yeah, I really like gold. I'm not sure if you guys have figured that one out already. And also, it looks quite big for a 4.5. So let's have a look at both the shoes together. Wow, that feels quite nice, eh? It does feel a bit like it could break off. Oh no, I see it goes around the lace. Okay, that's really nice. That's a bit weird. To be honest, I'm really digging this shoe though. So let's see the quality of it. Sometimes the Vietnam quality generally is quite good. I'm not such a big fan of the Indonesian shoes though. You can usually see a little bit of glue and stuff. Oh, there's a bit of glue. Yeah, see, when you pay like, what is this, $180 for a shoe, you don't really want to see where the glue is. I mean, they should put more effort into cleaning it. And the last few orders with Nike have been like this. I guess it's because of the logistic issues and also because of COVID. They had to shut down a few, I don't know if I should use the word, but I mean essentially it is a sweatshop, so yeah, they had to shut down a few. So there's a few materials here. So this is like velvet. This is like a plasticky but a nice plastic-ish material. This is a bit different, so but it's also probably plastic. That again is velvet, and I'm not sure if this is leather or synthetic leather, and that's also leather. Yeah, and obviously the signature Air Max bubble. One nice thing though about buying Nike shoes is that more or less you could always know what to expect. So this is what the shoe would look like to someone looking at you or to your feet. This actually looks like pretty cool tacky that you could rock at the gym. and out in public. These things are actually starting to grow on me. Wasn't such a big fan when I first saw them, but I guess after seeing so many Adidas, yeah, they are starting to grow on me. Also, this looks a bit fat, but I mean, this is what the shoe would look like to you. That's just the plastic. It's actually a pretty narrow shoe. I mean, the filling in the shoe. But it does look quite big for UK 4.5. I'm gonna have to try it on. It looks more like a 5.5. Oh, you can see a bit more there. Bad craftsmanship. That's a nice attention to detail. The reason I usually like to buy from Nike and not from, you know, eBay and stuff is because I'm also like, I wouldn't actually be able to tell a fake from the original, considering how slapdash some of the originals are. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Hope you found it relaxing. And now to pack it back away. Oh, my cat is trying to get his way back into the box. I should actually really invest in those clear boxes for sneakers. So I don't have to keep them in these boxes, but I mean, you do have to keep your original boxes in any case. So yeah, it'll just be easier to view them in those clear boxes. So there we go. Another Nike unboxing.